Yo, what's going on, YouTubers? Man, I'm excited to bring to y'all my moon cycle class. Like, we've been talking about this for a while, and I really want y'all to see how it works. And I get asked a lot of times, hey, Dennis, could I do this as a swing trader? Hey, Dennis, can I do this even if I'm not on the charts all day and every day like you are? And I brought my sister to help answer this question because she can answer it way better than me. I am on the charts every day. But Dazzle, is it possible to use the moon cycles to your advantage if you were a swing trader?
Yes, you could use it if you're a swing trader. You could do it if you are a beginner and you don't quite read the chart so good yet. If you are like me and you double dutch from in the middle of the rope, uh, in my opinion, the moon cycles is a easy way to be consistently profitable because the moon is not gonna fall out of the sky. And if you know what moon phase is equal what actions, it makes things a whole lot easier and I only have to trade a couple times a month.
Wow. And there's a lot of people that doubt us. So I kind of wanted to just, show a chart, show a little bit about the cycle. We're not gonna go deep into it because we want you guys to come to class. But I found a chart over here and I put the moons on it. And I wanted to just show y'all something real quick. Right. This is just a random chart. I didn't alter these charts, guys. We can go to Bitcoin. I type it in, you know what? Let me just type in a whole new chart. I don't want anybody to think I did anything fugazi. So I don't never use Bybit. We're gonna try to Bybit spot position on Bitcoin. There we go. And the moons are still going to be the same. So I'm gonna take y'all back. Come back with me, walk with me, talk with me. And people say all the time, like, man, you can't use those moon cycles to trade the charts. And I say, okay. And then I kept practicing, I kept learning, and I kept doing my thing. So we even created a book on it because we've been doing it for so long. Dazzle was able to start typing it up, putting it all documented, and said, you know what? We're gonna be authors. I didn't write it, y'all. She did, but she made me an author because she did use a strategy that we've been practicing and going over for years. So one thing is we talk about. I'm gonna just give y'all one of the easy. We're not gonna go deep into all moon cycles, but we talk about a backward C and a forward C, right? Your forward C is your waxing crescent. Your backward C is your waning crescent. And a lot of times we tell you, how to react for these moves. We like to buy the forward C, right? Especially when the market is in the uptrend and take profit on the backward C. Buy the forward C, take profit on the backward C. Buy the forward C, take profit on the backward C. Buy the forward C, take profit on the backward C. D, you can't did you put those moons on the chart? No, man. I just showed y'all we created a whole new chart. This is just one of our indicators, and it's showing us how the price is reflecting using the moons, right? Now that's when you're in a bullish market. But there are times like now where you're in a bearish market. And we don't, it still works the same. But when you're in a bear market, you get more money when you understand and you know to use those backward C's, right? The forward C is still bullish, the backward C is still bearish. But who would you have made more money from trading this? That backward C, right? That's when I like the waning crescent. The forward C was bullish. It had a nice little push to the upside, but the backward C was bearish, dropped down pretty well. And now we're in a downtrend. We noticed that forward C doesn't work as well. Matter of fact, because with a downtrend, that backward C is strong. You know what I mean? That backward C is what we call a waning crescent. The forward C is a waxing crescent. So just sticking the moon cycles, one of our simple strategies says buy the forward C and sell the backward C. Well, I wanted to bring you guys to what is coming today, a backward C. So if y'all didn't believe that these moon cycles work, then you get to see it live and in time because right now when we go to these charts, there's a lot of reason to be bullish on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin has been in an uptrend here since this forward C, since December 26th, maybe even longer, right? Bitcoin been bullish since way back here in November. It's been creating higher lows. So people that were buying today are probably thinking to themselves, yeah, Bitcoin to the moon, right? But what those people don't know is what day today is. Dazzle, what day is today,
Today is the first day of the Wine Crescent. Timber!
right? So I've been sharing this ever since the one in Gibbous, since the quarter moon. I've been saying, hey, y'all, the waxing crescent coming, the waxing crescent coming. And now we're here. We're live. We are at the waxing crescent. So I want you guys to get out your pens, papers, and your notepads, however you use, and just document what happens. If you don't believe me, let's see it together. But based off of this information that you learned here from us in the book that you guys are going to receive, the suggested direction of the market is downward following this. This is even while we're seeing this incredibly bullish market. Had us a beautiful day this morning, right? But when I noticed this evening star pattern, and I know that I'm looking for shorts, then I take advantage. So you know what? I might even take me a little short on Bitcoin. But hey, that's y'all. Y'all can test it out, see if you like it. And if you do, I want you guys to click on the link below for a defensified capital aristocrats and secure your spot. Dazzle, tell them a little bit about the class we're having this Sunday and how many spots are still available.
So we have 15 spots left for the class, and you get a physical work moon cycles trading workbook along with the class. So we join us Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, lock in your spot and get your workbook. Because why? They say that millionaires trade with the charts, and billionaires trade with the stars. So come learn the moon cycles, because the moon ain't gonna fall out the sky.
Right on.